Today I'll be showing you how to import a batch of contacts or one single contact into your database on Permitsy. There's an important distinction to be made between two different terms that I'll be using in this video, importing a contact versus inviting a contact. By importing a contact, I'm simply adding a person or people so that I can send them emails or store information about them. They cannot log in or do anything else in the system on their own. If I want that contact to interact with the system, like participate in a committee or obtain and renew a license, then I will need to invite them so that they can create a login profile. First, select Import Contacts on the left-hand side. You can import contacts that have been exported from your Outlook, another database, or an Excel spreadsheet, which we are using for our example today. You can click on the link and browse your computer for the file, or drag and drop it from its location in its folder. You can specify your imported contacts into a group, or assign them later. Now that all the imported contacts appear on cards, click Validate. Validating your contacts will let you see if there are any errors, warnings, or info that could confuse your database. If there are no warnings, click Import, then All. If there are any problems, you can exclude those contacts from importing. If you exclude contacts with warnings, you can download a file of those contacts with warnings and address those issues. As you see, 5 contacts have now been successfully processed. If I wanted to invite all these people, I can just go to the People screen, do a search for the batch, and invite them. I will find 3 of the people that I have just imported and check off their names. Scroll up, open my actions, and invite them. Select what type of user they are, and then click Next. You will now see a draft of an email that you can edit before sending it to the people that you'd like to invite. Instead of scrolling through all the people and finding the contacts you imported, you can click on the Quick Search button, click Import Batch, and find the batch of contacts you just imported. You just need to know the date and time, as well as who imported the contacts. From here you'll find your narrowed down search results. I'm going to click on the 3 people I'd like to invite. Click Action, then Invite, and now we're back to a page that we've previously discussed. To invite a single person, click Invite Users on the left-hand side. Type in the contact's info, starting with his or her email, full name, gender, and phone number. If the contact will be a staff user, check off the staff user box. Staff and regular users will see the same screen design, except the staff user has more administrative functions, such as group management, licensing, and more. The contact has now been sent an email to confirm their invitation to the database. If for some reason the invitation didn't work and you've already tried multiple times, you can confirm the invite and over the phone add her birth date and create a password. Then her account will be good to go, and your contact has successfully become part of the system. Back on the Invite User screen, if you enter a contact with the same full name as someone else in the system, you will reach a Duplicates page where it will ask you if you meant the person already in the system or you're trying to create a new person. If it's a new person, click New Person, then Next. Now she has been successfully invited. For any questions or concerns, please email us at info@permitsy.com.